Hi guys, welcome again to this new video. In today's video I just brought you to a restaurant. It's a restaurant called Caramela Cafe and Bistro. It is in Panjim, so if you are in Goa and you are around Panjim, which is kind of, very nice place, live, many people around, many nice places. So yeah, if you are around, you can just come over here and try. And I spoke to the owner actually. I mean the person who is running. She was born and brought up in Kenya, and then she came back to India. So she's like Indian origin, but born and brought up in Kenya. So we had a nice talk. We ordered some food. So let's see what they'll serve me. So I just ordered this cafe and all. So yes, guys, if you come here, don't miss this opportunity to visit this restaurant. It's a very, very nice restaurant, okay? And people are very friendly. I'll take you again around somewhere. Let the food come and I'll show you how it looks like and the taste as well. So yes, guys, follow this this nice moment, eating some food. I'll just enjoy. You smell it or you just enjoy watching me, and I'll enjoy the taste and everything. So yeah guys, my food came. So this is a very typical bread from Goa. It is called Poee. So yeah, I already tried once. Let me try here and then I'll see. And this is a kind of a soup, where you can find I think chicken or pork, something like that. They say it's very spicy. Let me try and then I'll share my experience with you. Done with the food. Look at my plate is completely empty. Okay, the Poee is here. It's empty. Honestly, that food is wonderful, guys. It's super delicious. Very good. So if you are around, if you come to Goa and you are around Panjim, I think it's worth visiting. Just come here and then experience it. It's really delicious. You will not regret it. Wow, the food was awesome.